Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today in this video, I bring some latest collection of some unique, amazing and updated pebble craft ideas that you will love to create and explore these sort of unique, amazing and trendy pebble craft as a part of your home interior and exterior collection. You can create these sort of unique and amazing ideas or making these collections more unique, extravagant and vibrant by choosing different unique color combinative hand painted pebble craft ideas that will be a perfect fit for your overall indoor and outdoor decorations. You can create or specify these sort of decorations with some other unique ideas of garden decorations to place these sort of ideas on different rocks or creating it on different wooden boards. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love it or keep creating these trendy stylish collections for your beautiful home decor. In this video, I bring some latest collection of some unique, amazing and updated creative crafts that people will love to create and explore these sort of unique and amazing crafts that no one will think of these sort of unique and amazing creative ideas. You can choose different unique beach theme pebble craft ideas or making these collections more unique or beautiful. People will love to create different family themed representation ideas to decorate different bedroom or teach these sort of ideas that will also enhance your skills, or you can also teach these ideas to your kids by investing their time in a productive or creative idea that will also teach them that this idea can be created by some people that have patience, or creating it in a more unique and customized way will make up your whole idea or collection representation more unique, elegant and beautiful. There are some unique and other vibrantly created ideas that people will love to create, and making these sort of unique themes as a representation of your creative mind, or making these sort of idea in a more classy way. You can create it anyway according to your likings. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous video. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest and trendy collections for you. So viewers, if you have any request or query, do mention it in the comment section. I will work on it and answer all your queries in the comment section. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like it, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. It helps me to grow my channel and encourages me. So viewers, I hope you will love it. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me. Thank you.